are delivering DoorDash in a haboob. Haboob is a big dust storm. Heavy winds, rain, lightning, hail. And there it is. See how the whole sky has changed? These flags are going 200 miles an hour. And then over here it's sunny again. How weird is that? Practically blew me out of the car. But we're doing it. We are hustling. We are in Tucson, Arizona. Yomi's Mexican restaurant and seafood. And it's time to go and make the donuts. Get away from this dust storm. I'm glad the delivery is taking me away from where the dust storm is. I'll have a nice tailwind as I deliver this, so the customer will get their order a little bit faster. At least that's the theory. Oh yeah, look at those flags going. It's definitely coming. Just moved me there. That's pretty interesting. You can see the street signs moving. Even though the dust storm isn't even here yet.